In today's video, I'll show you how to find all the recently watched videos on Facebook. If you've ever wondered where your past videos went, stay tuned. I will use two Facebook app versions in this video. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile photo with three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Click on Video. After opening this option, click on Search. Select the button titled Watched. Now, you'll be able to see a list of all the videos you've recently watched on Facebook. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I'll also show you the process on the other version of the app. The steps are slightly different. The layout may appear a little different depending on the version you're using, but the core process remains the same. Access this page as before and click on Video. Then, click on the avatar icon. Here, the process is different, as you can see. By clicking on the History option, all recently watched videos on Facebook will be displayed. And that's it. Now you know how to find your recently watched videos on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.